Bimota has unveiled its latest creation, the KB998 Superbike, which marks a significant entry into the 2025 World Superbike Championship. This model combines Bimota's renowned chassis design with the powerful 998cc inline-4 engine from the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10RR. Earlier this year, Kawasaki announced transferring its factory race team to a joint venture with Bimota. This collaboration has already yielded several models featuring Kawasaki engines. However, the KB998 represents a fresh start for Bimota. As a production-based series, the World Superbike Championship requires Bimota to manufacture a minimum of 500 units of the KB998 to meet homologation standards. The engine, inspired by Kawasaki's performance engineering, promises the same robust capabilities as seen in their 2024 Superbike. The KB998 features a more conventional Showa fork, steering away from Bimota's traditional funky front suspension designs, aligning it more closely with the Ninja's setup. The fairing is distinctly new, while still retaining some stylistic elements from the Kawasaki lineup. Notably, the front end has a smoother upward curve compared to the ZX-10RR, and the bike is equipped with aerodynamic winglets, reflecting modern racing trends. The side panels of the fairing cover more of the engine than those of the Ninja, with a striking design that curves inward along the steel trellis frame. As Bimota gears up to produce the KB998 for the public, the excitement surrounding this unique collaboration with Kawasaki is palpable, setting the stage for its upcoming racing debut.